Along with Matriculation Day and Commencement, this is one of the most significant days of the Monmouth College year. Today, Scholars Day, we celebrate the core of our mission.
The idea was that there's so many great things that are going on around campus, but oftentimes they take place in a very small environment. They take place in the classrooms and the labs and other places around campus. And so it is now today the time to bring all those things out from the small corners and labs and bring them into one place. And that is the nature of Scholars Day.
I just want to say thanks to everybody for all this wonderful work. Thanks for the example that you set for all the rest of us to stay curious and active. Thank you and congratulations.